Welcome to my channel. Today we will examine the landmark case of Tesco Supermarket Limited versus Nattrass 1971, approved a decision in English contract law. The case revolves around the concept of corporate liability and the direct minding theory. We will dive into the facts of the case, the legal arguments presented, and the court ruling. Join us. We will analyze the important legal precedents. Facts of the case: Supermarket Limited versus prosecuted under Trade Description Act 1968 of falsifying advertising the price of washing powder. The manager the store failed to remove the promotional signs after the discounted stock ran out, leading to the customer to buy high, or products on high process. The company argued that it is not responsible for the manager's uh, irresponsibility. The main legal issue was whether the Tesco could be held liable for the actions of a store manager. The Tesco relied on a defense that the manager was not part of direct mining of the corporation and thus his conduct is not contributed to the company. The court had to determine if the company had done its all to prevent the offences or whether the manager's action could be considered an act of the company. Quoting the House of Lords ruled in favor of Tesco, accepting their defence. Lord Temple emphasizes that for the liberty to attach the actions of the person, that person must be acting as the company, not merely an employee. The court found that the manager was not part of that mining of the company and that Tesco had taken all reasonable precautions to prevent the offence. The This case has great importance. It established the principle that a company can avoid liability if it can demonstrate that it looks all the reasonable precautions and you exercise is this case held like a lasting impact on corporate liability, highlighting the importance of internal control and the distinction between the actions of employee and the company itself. This case is a significant decision in the realm of the corporate liability, underscoring the importance of due diligence and internal controls. This case serves as a reminder of legal system role in ensuring companies have held accountable for their actions while also recognize the distinction between individuals and the employees and the corporate entity. Stay tuned for my channel for more legal analysis cases. Kindly like and subscribe and share.